In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bypass Discord phone number verification. Before we get started, it's important to be clear about what we're trying to do and what we're not trying to do. Discord uses phone verification mainly to prevent spam, protect accounts, and keep communities safe. Bypassing that system in a way that breaks Discord's terms of service or helps with spam, abuse, or ban evasion is not something you should ever do. What we'll focus on instead is understanding your legitimate options if you don't have access to your phone, or if you're having trouble with verification. First, if you're being asked to verify a phone number on Discord, start by checking whether it's really necessary for what you're trying to do. Sometimes, servers add extra security and require verification to join or chat. In that case, there usually isn't a way around it, because it's a rule set by the server owner. The best approach is to decide whether you're comfortable verifying or to look for another server that doesn't require it. Next, if you don't have access to your usual phone or you've changed numbers, make sure you're logged into the correct Discord account. Then, head into your user settings inside the Discord app and look for the account section. There, you'll see the current phone number field and the option to update or remove it, depending on your account status. If you can still receive SMS on your old number, use that to confirm, and then replace it with a new valid number you control. If you're running into errors when you try to verify, like not receiving the code or getting rate limited, slow down and try again after waiting a bit. Double-check that you have a strong signal, that your number is entered with the correct country code, and that you're not using a disposable or virtual number provider, because Discord often blocks those for security reasons. Restarting your device or trying a different network connection can also help in some cases. When none of that works, your best legitimate option is to contact Discord support. Explain that you are unable to complete phone verification and provide any relevant details about your account without sharing sensitive information like passwords. They may not always be able to remove the requirement, but they can review your situation and make sure there isn't an error on their side. To sum up, the only safe, reliable way to handle Discord's phone verification is to use a real number you control and follow their rules. Anything that claims to bypass verification using shady tools, stolen numbers, or code generators can put your account and your personal information at risk and may get you permanently banned from the platform.